Now we have a derailment again. Let me see the tracks. Let's reverse a bit. Okay. We are going. So we will first pull out the BOST wagons, BOST and the open wagons. Oh. My diesel loco doesn't like the tracks, looks like. Okay. Let's pull it out. Hope there won't be any problems. Then I'll be coupling to the BCL channel wagons and pushing back the BCL channel wagons on this siding. So let's move out first. Hope it works. Hope it doesn't derail. Oh, it's already derailed. Okay. Back on track. Nicely, steadily. Hope it does it. Oh. Okay. So yeah, I'll be using WCM5 in my other episodes. It's a nice locomotive, reliable locomotive. So this is one of those locomotives which I got from somewhere. So doesn't work that well on the tracks, keeps derailing. Again it's derailed. Okay, anyway, so we have managed to get the wagons out of the siding, and now I'll switch the three-way points again. Now this time we'll be going straight into the BCA channel wagons. So that's points switched. I have to switch this points, otherwise the train will move on this track. So let me reverse. Easy does it, I hope. Yeah, okay, so far so good. Just have to go straight without derailing anywhere. I hope the diesel loco keeps up. Hope so far so good. Diesel is okay. Loco is okay. It's on track. Okay, there we are. Okay, right. So now to get the consist out onto the main line. Don't forget.